Welcome to English with Teacher. I'm Teacher. Thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you're having a great day. So, thank you everyone liking, sharing, subscribing, watching the videos through to the end. That's really important for me. Thank you. Half the people watching aren't even subscribed. Can you believe that? Oh my God. Oh, my heart's breaking. Anyways, so today we will be doing some English basics and we will be expanding on words. We're going to start to be doing long vowel sounds, okay? And I will be doing this with my wonderful co-host. So ma'am, would you please introduce yourself?
Hello teacher. I'm Lisa. I'm from Vietnam.
Thank you for joining me, Lisa. Okay, so let's start out. I'm going to get you to read each word 2 times, okay? So let's start with the first word.
Hop.
Very good. Now we're going to add an E onto the end of that. And how do you say it?
Hop.
Okay. O. Hope.
Hope.
Very good. And now with the C?
Cop.
Right. And an R?
Rock.
Very good. And a D?
Dog.
Awesome. Okay, let's try an L.
Lop.
Very good. M?
Mop.
And an N.
Knob.
Nope. Very good. Very good. Don't forget to open your mouth on the vowel sounds, okay? Okay. What's the next word?
Knobs.
No, next word. After.
Cap.
Very good. And now when we add an E on the end?
Cap.
A. Cape.
Cape.
Very good. One more time.
Cave.
That's it. And now with the G?
Gap.
Gape.
Gape.
Very nice. An N?
Nap.
A. Nape.
Nape.
Very good. And now a T?
Tape.
Awesome. That was perfect. Okay. Now, what's the next word?
Sit.
Right on. And if we add an E on the end, how do you say it?
Sit.
I. Sight.
Sight.
Right. And with the B?
Bet.
Bite. Bite. Awesome. And with the K? kite.
Kate.
I, kite.
Kate.
That's it. Again.
Kate.
Great. Next word. With an L.
Light. Light.
That was perfect. An M.
Mate. Mate.
Very good, very good. Okay, what's the next word?
Come.
Again,
Come.
very good, with an E on the end.
Come.
A. Cane.
Cane.
Again,
Cane.
very good. And with the B.
Bait. Bine.
Very good. An L.
Line.
Lane. Don't forget to open. Lane.
Lane.
Good stuff. And an M.
May. May.
Awesome. A P.
Pin. Pin.
And an S.
Sen. Sen.
Right on. A V.
Ven. Ven.
Very good. And a W.
Wen. Wen.
That was awesome. Okay. Now what's the next word?
Bake.
That was absolutely perfect. Again,
Bake.
right on. And now if we put a C in front,
Cake. Cake.
right on. An L.
Lake. Lake.
Good stuff. An M.
Make. Make.
An R.
Run.
A. Rake.
Rake.
That's
Rake.
it. I knew you could do it. An S.
Sack. Sack.
Very good. A T.
Tack. Tack.
And a W.
What? What?
Wake.
Wake.
One more time.
Wake.
Awesome. Okay. So now when we have a vowel, like an A or an O, one consonant, and then an E, this changes sound. Okay? So it goes from can to cane because of the E. You understand? You understand what I mean?
Yes.
Okay, so the E changes the sound when there's only one consonant in between. So we're going to be doing more of these to show you. But the vowels all have at least two sounds. So we need to work on this. And basically it goes from, like an A, goes from the sound ah to saying the letter A. Okay? An O goes from the sound ah to saying O. Woke. Okay?
Yes.
So we're going to keep working on this. There's other ways that make the sound long, so we're going to be spending some time going through this. But you did awesome today. I am very happy. You did great work. You should be proud of yourself. So, thank you very much for helping. Thank you everyone for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this and I hope it was helpful. Remember, like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching through to the end, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day.